A Holly Hill man accused of sexually abusing two foster children in his care will remain in jail without bond.
Last week, Lawrence Williams was arrested in the first case, but was also able to post bond and was released. WESH 2's Claire Metz joins us live right now. And Claire, we know there was a hearing this morning. Was that release on the first bond a mistake?
Yeah, that's exactly what the prosecutors are saying, and it's kind of a moot point now because over the weekend, a second victim was identified, and suspect Lawrence Williams was ordered held without bond after being arrested on that second case. Even still, due to the first case and what allegedly happened there, the court had to deal with this as a matter of law. So the suspect was brought into this hearing today, Lawrence Williams, accused of raping and molesting two young girls in his care. And investigators say at least two other foster children have made allegations of sexual abuse at Williams' home in Holly Hill. According to reports, Williams would take the children, young girls, into a detached structure the children called the punishment room. Williams, with his wife, who is not charged, has been fostering children since at least March 2020. The allegations surfaced in late May of this year. Now, the court determined Williams should not have been granted bond during that first arrest sequence. The mother of one of the children in Williams' foster care for several months says she's proud of her daughter for speaking out.
There's freedom and there's courage and there's strength in speaking about the wrong that's been done to you. You don't have to keep it trapped inside and live there for the rest of your life.
Now, prosecutors say the crimes Williams charged with are capital sexual batteries, where accused suspects should be held without bond. And Judge Raul Zambrano did agree, no bond in this case. Meanwhile, this case does remain under active investigation, and there is the possibility of additional charges because of additional victims. Now, we have reached out to DCF to ask how many children may have come through the suspect's home since he began fostering children as early as March 2020. So far, no response to that. We're live in Volusia County. Claire Metz, WESH 2 News.